Storytelling is one of the oldest and most powerful ways for couples to connect, to foster intimacy, and to deepen their understanding of one another. When two people come together, each brings a lifetime of experiences, dreams, and memories. Through the magic of storytelling, these elements can be woven into a shared tapestry that strengthens their bond and creates lasting moments of joy. Imagine sitting together at the end of a long day, with the soft glow of a lamp illuminating the room. One partner turns to the other and begins to share a story, a memory from childhood, a funny incident at work, or a dream about the future. The other listens, not just with their ears, but with their heart. In these moments, walls come down, laughter bubbles up, and the quiet comfort of understanding settles in. Storytelling invites vulnerability. It says, "Here is a piece of who I am. Will you hold it with me?" The stories couples share don't have to be grand or extraordinary. Sometimes the most cherished tales are about the little things, a favorite family recipe, a childhood pet, or an embarrassing moment that still brings a smile. These stories become touchstones, reminders of where each person has come from and the journey they are now on together. As couples tell stories, they don't just recount facts, they reveal their values, their hopes, and even their fears. Sharing a dream about the future can open up conversations about what both partners truly want, from the places they hope to visit, to the kind of home they want to create, to the family traditions they hope to build. Likewise, recounting a challenge from the past can be a way of seeking support, empathy, or simply a listening ear. In this way, storytelling becomes a gentle bridge between two hearts, allowing each person to step into the other's world. For couples, storytelling can also be playful. Creating imaginary stories together, perhaps dreaming up a fantasy vacation or inventing a silly character, can bring laughter and spontaneity into the relationship. These shared stories become inside jokes, private worlds that belong only to the two of you. Over time, these moments accumulate, forming the unique mythology of your partnership. Another beautiful aspect of storytelling for couples is reminiscing. Going back over the story of how you met, your first date, or your favorite adventures together can rekindle the warmth of those memories and remind you both of how far you've come. These retellings are more than nostalgia. They are affirmations of your journey together, a celebration of your shared history. But storytelling isn't just about the happy moments. It can also be a powerful tool for healing and understanding. When misunderstandings arise or difficult experiences need to be processed, telling your side of the story with honesty and openness can help your partner see things from your perspective. Listening, truly listening to your partner's story in return, is an act of love, patience, and compassion. Through this exchange, wounds can heal and empathy can grow. For couples who want to make storytelling a more intentional part of their relationship, consider setting aside dedicated time to share. Maybe it's during a walk, over dinner, or as a bedtime ritual. Ask each other questions. What was the highlight of your day? What is a dream you have for us? Can you tell me about a time you felt really proud? These prompts can open the door to deeper conversations and a richer connection. In the end, storytelling for couples is about more than words. It's about presence, attention, and the willingness to share and receive. Through stories, couples create their own language of love, a language that grows, evolves, and strengthens with each chapter they write together.